Okay guys, so here are the steps. If you end up with something where you're subtracting a mixed measure where the bottom number is larger than the top number, so you're not going to be able to subtract, right? So this is typical borrowing situation, right? So I'm using the borrowing the same way that we used it before. Now my steps are worded differently than what would be in the textbook, and I think my wording is better and easier to understand. So basically the way to do this is we set up our common measures in the columns just like we did before, and then what we're going to do is we're going to regroup or borrow as necessary from the larger units. So let me explain step 2. So if you come up to a situation where one column of measurement, one unit of measure, where you have a larger number in the bottom versus the top, then what we're going to do is you're going to have to borrow from the column to the left, which is the next larger unit. We're going to borrow one of those and break it down into and regroup it into the smaller unit so that you have the larger number on top. Then you can subtract, right? So that's what I mean. So we're going to do that as necessary. Then once you do all of that, once you do all the regrouping, then you basically subtract column by column, and then in the end see if it's in standard notation, and if not, put it in standard notation. And that's it. So we'll do some examples. Take care.